Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to compress PDF size, or simply reduce the size of PDF file. So how to do it? Let's start. This is my PDF file, and the size of this PDF file you can see is about 8.51 MB. And I want to reduce the size of this PDF file. Open any search engine and then search for I love PDF. Open this website, and now on the first page, you can see there is an option of compressed PDF. Click on it. Now select the PDF file. You have the different options to select. Choose recommended compression and click Compress PDF. It has started uploading our PDF file. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the size of your PDF file. Our file has been uploaded successfully. It is compressing PDF file. Now, click on the Download Compress PDF, and you can see that the size has been reduced from 8.51 MB to 5 MB. Click on the Download Compressed PDF. This is our old PDF file with 8.51 MB, and this is the compressed PDF file, and it is 5.01 MB. We can check both the files to compare the results, so you can see that there is no difference as such between the quality of the compressed file. Thank you for watching.